Let's talk about mics today, specifically the Sony ECM-W3 wireless microphone. It's a versatile mic that I think everyone will enjoy, and in this video, I'll go over the top 5 features that you'll find useful. First up, let's talk about the wireless capabilities of the ECM-W3. I've been shooting videos for more than 20 years, and I've had so many times where I'm using a wired mic that gets disconnected or the wire gets damaged over time. With the W3 mic, you could say goodbye to tangled cables and restricted movement. With the seamless Bluetooth connectivity, this microphone offers you the freedom to roam up to 492 feet away from your recording device, ensuring clean and clear audio without any signal dropouts. Whether you're shooting indoors or outdoors, this mic keeps you connected and sounding great. Next on my list is the dual channel recording feature. Need to capture audio from 2 sources simultaneously? No problem. The ECM-W3 allows you to connect not 1, but 2 transmitters to a single receiver, giving you the flexibility to record interviews, podcasts, or dual-hosted videos with pristine sound quality on the same file as your video. For example, if you're a wedding filmmaker, you can mic up the bride and the groom, and you can capture audio from both people at the same time. There's so many situations where this comes in handy, and now it's so much easier to accomplish. Now let's talk about what matters most in a microphone, the audio quality. Equipped with advanced digital audio signal processing, the ECM-W3 delivers excellent sound reproduction. Whether you're capturing dialogue, music, or ambient sounds, this microphone captures it all with precision and ease, elevating the overall production value of your video content. One of the standout features of the ECM-W3 is its versatile compatibility. Whether you're using a DSLR, mirrorless camera, a smartphone, or a tablet, this microphone works with a wide range of different devices thanks to its multi-interface shoe and multiple cable options. You could use the 3.5mm jack to connect to the mic input on your device, and you could use the USB-C port to connect it to your PC or any other compatible device. The versatility this mic gives you, along with everything else that we've talked about so far, makes this mic ultra useful. Nothing is more frustrating when you're having audio problems in your recordings. The W3 mic allows you the ability to record 1 channel of audio at normal volume and a second audio channel at 20 dB less. In the event that you have someone who decides to start talking louder, you'll be fine knowing that you've got that 20 decibel wiggle room once you get into post-production. These are the top 5 features of the Sony ECM-W3 wireless microphone that make it a great choice for content creators or anyone who's looking to capture quality audio easily. I'm sure there are some more great features about this mic that you find useful. So the question today is, how would you plan on using this mic? Let's talk about it in the comments, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date on our latest videos, just like the ones that you see here on the screen. Check them out, and I'll see you next time.